We get questions a lot about par value. So the par value of a share essentially is the initial value of a share. You can have no par value shares in Delaware, or you can have very low par value shares. We recommend starting out with something very, very low. Usually 0.0001 is a good standard to start with, and then go from there. We want to keep the par value low for initial share grants with new companies, because that means it's not very expensive to buy in. Because remember, when you buy a share, when you buy a stock, you have to pay something for it. There has to be some consideration given for that stock. So therefore, it's a good idea to keep the value low. So every shareholder, every founder should be paying money to the company for those shares. And then as you grow, you will the share price will increase, but at least early on, you don't have to be dealing with tax issues, tax implications of granting other people shares when they have a high value. Because if you grant someone 10,000 shares with $1 share value each, now that person's getting $10,000 in value for something, and they'll have to pay taxes on that. You want to avoid those situations early on. Therefore, keeping that par value low is very helpful and important to do. So when you're thinking about par value, keep it very low. We usually recommend 0.0001.